kamikaze, ay, I might just die in a mosh pit, ay, I think I'm done with your nonsense, ay, I got my ties in the projects, yeah, who finna stop me, good luck, okay, cross me, then you bound to get touched, okay, hitman in the cut with a hammer, ay, I feel like Tony Montana, ay, wake up, get the bread, 25.
What's up, guys? I'm Vendetta. This is my 1000 horsepower 340. It's been a long fucking wait of just bullshit, nearly 2 years, but we finally got it back a couple weeks ago. We've been tuning with
Subpar tuning.
Oh shit. Who does subpar tuning? Who runs that shit?
That's Doug.
Oh shit, dog.
Taste me how to duck. Taste me how to duck. Taste me.
All right, guys, let's do a walkthrough of this fucking black monster.
What you got right here?
So up front, we got some skinnies. We got some Belecs.
Yeah, you got a brake kit up there.
We got the aerospace component brakes up here.
All right.
Yeah, they have pretty bad stopping power, but comes at a cost of drag race, right?
Yeah, that's what it is. You got billet arms too. What else you got in there?
Oh shit, we got SPL arms back there and shit. That's that spicy sauce. That's something none of y'all know about. That's that riff-raff shit. I know what I'm talking about.
All right,
let's go to the rear.
Yeah, let's see.
Well, what tire we got right here?
There's some sticky Mickeys in
We got
there.
some sticky Mickeys.
That's
that
crazy.
We got some. What are these bolts around here?
I don't know. I think they're V-locks. I don't know what they do.
V-locks? Shit,
Yeah,
I don't know. They just look good to me.
Yeah, they look good.
So I got some 15s right here. They're on a 26-inch tire. We got some custom wheel wood, little brake kit back there to make this little sticky Mickey wheel fit.
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense. Fuck it. Moving to the back, got a nice little CSL style carbon fiber hood. Got a big exhaust.
Damn.
Texan style.
Big. Oh,
Big
that's
exhaust
crazy.
back
That's
here.
crazy.
What else?
Hey, let's see under the hood. Let's see under the hood.
That's the most important
Yeah, let's
part.
see. That's what we really want to see.
Yeah. Check this shit out. What it represents. Texas.
Texas. Oh, that's a lot to take in. What we got?
Let's talk about the most important thing. Turbo.
What kind of turbo is that?
The next gen 72, 75.
Yeah, ain't no eBay.
Ain't no eBay.
Ain't
turbo.
no eBay turbo.
Ain't no what's that eBay turbo? Pulsar or some shit.
Pulsar. I don't know. Something like that.
Shout out to Norris though. He got us with the downpipe and the exhaust manifold.
Okay.
Yeah, hit a P-tune of any of your needs.
Okay.
The turbos and shit.
Oh, you got your name on there?
Yeah, we got Vendetta right here for oil catch can. Custom fab by True Focus Fab.
Okay. Let's see. What's that intake you got?
Oh, we got the little intake manifold here. It's from EOS.
Okay.
Buddy Mike Speed. And then we got our fucking port injection right here, running 1700cc injectors.
All right.
Controlled all by my reflex under here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got a big pump right there. What pump is that?
So that's a Dort Stage 2.
Okay.
From a Camaro Z01, I believe. It's an LT4 pump.
That's crazy. Some custom piping right there, looks like.
Some custom piping here. Shout out to VMAX Performance for fucking fabbing this shit up. Fabbing up that exhaust back there too. He does excellent work.
Yeah,
I'll tag all the people down in the description below.
Okay.
That's basically it for this one. Pretty simple setup. Shout out to Vanos Lab, Jesse Jordan. He put this whole car together. Shout out to the cameraman too. He put this car from scratch back there. Without him, I don't think this car would be where it is today.
Man.
Who are you, cameraman?
I'm Caleb.
Oh shit.
Yes,
Hit him up for any needs in DFW.
Is that some carbon I see in there?
Oh shit.
The interior, let's see. Oh, and the carbon. You can't forget the mirrors.
Oh shit.
Damn. Oh yeah.
Damn, we got the carbon fiber steering wheel here too. And the magnetic carbon fiber paddle shifters. Listen to this.
Oh yeah. Other than that, pretty stock on the inside though.
We got a couple fire extinguishers in there for safety.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Alright, cool.
Let's move on to the next.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do an exhaust sound clip. I know everyone's been asking for one. How this shit sounds. It sounds pretty fucking gnarly. Like a 2J. That's what I think. Ready back there, Caleb?
Let's do it.
Hear that fuel pump? I don't know that mic can pick it up.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. Let's hear it. Woo, that sounds crazy. That sounds
sort of chops.
Yeah.
I don't hear him anymore. But yeah, it's really fucking loud. Sounds crazy. Let's go in front.
Alright, let's go, let's go.
Oh shit! Up front now.
Oh.
Car.
Oh, you look at that smoke. Oh.
Oh shit!
Oh.
That's PCB
The environment.
Oh shit! Hey, don't show that! Don't show that! But runs healthy. Sounds pretty insane. Let's give y'all some revs. You ready up there?
Yeah, let's do it.
So let's get us in. Clip back there. Ready?
Let's do it. Woo. Woo. That's crazy. Dang. Woo.
Let's do some driving clips now. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. All right, guys. It's hot as shit outside. It's 104. We'll do a light pull for y'all. Y'all are great. But subscribe, like, so we can have more shit like this in the future possible for y'all. Some crazy shit, whatever the fuck y'all want. So
Make sure to tell us what you think of the build in the comments.
yeah. So we'll do a little baby pull in this heat. Let's see.